Hello everyone, this is Ahmad and welcome back to my fifth tutorial of R programming language. And in this tutorial I'm gonna cover topic called as vector. So friends, I hope you all are familiar with vector word because we study in a very beginning class 10th in mathematics and physics. But friends, this vector is totally different from that vector because here in R, a vector is something which is used to store a bunch of value or a list. For example, I'm gonna store some values in A1 like that, A1, and I'm gonna store a bunch of values. So whenever you store some list and a bunch of value, then it is essential to use the function called as C. So I use C, then in parentheses I take some values, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then I'm gonna print this values. So print A1 for checking like values is stored or not. Run. See, values is stored in A1 like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 9. Again I'm gonna store some string, so I erase this. Like I take some string here. Friends, whenever you want to store some strings, so please be noted like string always be in comma, it's always be in double inverted comma like that, and it will separated by a comma. So let me check. I run this A1 and see values are stored. In this way we store values and a string in the form of list or whatever you want to store, but please be noted, use this function C. So vector is not about only storing a value, but we can also perform some cool operations using vector. Likewise, here I take some values 2 4 5 6 7, and I'm gonna multiply these values by 2. Let's see what happens. See the result, 4 8 10 12 14. It will multiply by 2. Okay, I will multiply by 8. See, it is really cool. All values are multiplied in a single time by 8. Not only this, if you want to add 2 vector, then it is also possible. See, likewise here I take 2 vectors A1 and B1, and I'm gonna perform operation addition here, A1 plus B1. Let's see. See, the answer is like 6 9 11 12 15. They both are added, and if I'm gonna perform subtraction, see, in the same way you can perform a number of cool operations using vector. And one more thing which is very interesting. And let us suppose that if the list is very big, then it is very difficult to store in a way by writing one by one values 1 2 3 4 and so on. So here one very cool method to store a bunch of values and a very large values in vector. Likewise, here I want to store a value from 2 to 100, so it is very difficult to type one by one. Then I used a function like column 2 column 100, and then I'm gonna print A1. See what happened. See, values are printed. Not only this, if I want to perform any operation, for example multiply by 6 all the values, then see, all the values are multiplied by 6. So vector is a very cool thing in R programming language. By using vector you can go with a number of cool operations. So I hope you like my video, and for more updates please subscribe my channel and share my videos, and I will be back with more cool and interesting tutorial on R programming language. So bye bye.